Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold, fulfilling prophecy by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the warning jing to Igbo traders in Lagos, that very soon the markets and properties will be destroyed. Sit back and watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Even the dry bones in the graves that are beginning to shake, they know the time has come. It's a shame that some people who are still living don't understand that, especially Igbo traders in Lagos. What's that to go? Nadepo is the first phase of this very deadly salvo. They will destroy your businesses. After that, they will take over your houses. When I make work for them, I want you to be writing down what I'm saying. That is why Barrister will say, go and bring your pen and your paper, so that when we are speaking, you'll be seeing it live and direct. What we do here is science. When we tell you that if you mix 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen, you will get H2O, which is water. We mean it. If you try it, you will see it. Yoruba, it is the truth. I tell you the truth. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're holding my life, you take it. Was Shoyinka not corrupt? Was Tai Solarin not corrupt? Name one Yoruba man that isn't corrupt. Name one. Name one that is good. I said name one. Tell me a Yoruba man that served in a public office and went back with his integrity or her integrity intact. Name one person. You can't. Yoruba should stop supporting evil. Yoruba, stop supporting evil. To be remembered.
Sambisa Trade Fair Complex ka ana kulifa. Uno ndi bụ na Lucas na Sambisa Trade Fair ka ana kulifa. Na ọkwọ n'ime afịa ka abatara na kulife uno ọkwọ nọ na Meru n'ime afịa. Wow, n'ime afịa ekwe.
Please, if you are coming towards Abia Gate and the Sokoto Gate, you have to be careful. There's demolition ongoing. All these plazas that was built opposite Sokoto, Ebonyi, and the Abia Gate, they are demolishing it. See what is happening this morning? It is ongoing now. Demolition is ongoing. If you look, you will see ROSS bus. They park all around there. Security personnel, officers, police, all of them line up there, mopo. So when you are coming, don't be afraid. Just enter inside market. They are just demolishing those buildings that they build across. Just look at billions of naira that is going down. Just look at billions of naira that will go down in a twinkling of an eye. All this lineup is ROSS loss. Just look at what is happening this morning. Yes, it is happening just now. Just see what you are witnessing now. Billions of naira just going down in a drain. Just look at, see the excavator pulling down those buildings. Those buildings, look at, that was built on Canal Way. Just look at, billions of naira going down. See members of ROSS, they just line up their halos and their buses, demolishing those buildings. Just look at billions of naira going down.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Other prominent Igbo politicians that visited the trade fair market in Lagos where Igbo investors' properties were demolished. You have only one mission and message for our brothers in Lagos. Tell them to stop investing in Lagos. Clearly urge them to relocate their businesses back to Biafra region. Invest in Biafra region is the only advice and awareness our people living in western and northern part of Nigeria need to hear now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise!